this is Dr. Trivedi. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic, that is pet therapy. Now, what is pet therapy? Pet therapy is also known as animal-assisted therapy. It is a guided interaction between a human and a trained animal. Now, what are the animals which are used for pet therapy? Most commonly used are dogs. Also, cats are used for pet therapy. Rabbits are used. Horses are used. It's called equine therapy. Or even pigs can be used. Now, what are the benefits of pet therapy? First is the mental and emotional health benefits, because it'll reduce anxiety, stress, it'll boost your mood, it'll improve your emotional regulation, it helps with PTSD and trauma recovery, it increases self-esteem and motivation. Now, physical health is also affected by pet therapy because it can lower the blood pressure, it can normalize the heart rate, it encourages the physical activity because you would look forward to go on a walk with your therapy dog. It improves the motor skills and coordination. There is also social and cognitive benefits, such as there is improvement in communication and social interaction. It helps the children with autism or developmental delays. It also helps people in memory recall for when we are dealing with dementia or Alzheimer's patients. Who can benefit from pet therapy? Actually, anyone can benefit from pet therapy. Kids who have developmental or learning disorders would do really well with pet therapy. Elderly individuals who are in memory care home, assisted or in assisted living, they would do well. Veterans who are suffering with PTSD, we can use pets for them as well. Hospitalized patients who are recovering from surgery or any acute illness. Also, people with chronic illnesses like cancer or heart disease, they all will benefit from pet therapy. So, pet therapy is a powerful, natural way to heal and connect. Now, whether it's a dog offering silent support or a horse helping someone regain confidence, the bond between the human and the animal can create meaningful change in physical and mental health. Now, I would like you to meet my pets. Cosmo is already a therapy dog and he works at our clinic, Human Touch Behavioral Health. And now I have a puppy who is getting trained. So let me introduce you to both of them. This is Loki. Loki is only 3 months old. He's a Bernie Doodle puppy and he's currently getting trained, and he will also be a therapy dog and would work at Human Touch Behavioral Health. So yeah, we are really excited to have him. He has been with us only for a few weeks now, and he's a very good boy, very intelligent boy. This is Cosmo. Cosmo is mini poodle. He's 5 years old. He's working at Human Touch Behavioral Health as a therapy dog.